guys. What is that? Somebody please come help me. That was so ugly. Also, don't look at my neck. I didn't put my makeup there. But welcome back. Hi. So today is going to be like a little short and simple. How to curl your hair with a straightener. I have a lot of friends that I'll just be doing my hair or whatever. And they're like, how do you curl your hair with a straightener? And I'm like, okay, I'll show you. We're going to spray our hair. This is just heat protectant. It's the Moroccan oil brand. I don't really like the smell of it, but yeah. I'm also going to part my hair. Oh my gosh, I didn't even like tell the part of the story that I wanted to tell. In my last video, I realized I did my hair and it looked fine, but it wasn't like, that's not how I want my hair to look. And in my sister's Get Ready With Me, why am I taking so long to talk? I rocked the middle part. I've always wanted to rock a middle part, and my natural is almost a middle part. So I want to curl my hair a little different. I'm still going to show you how to curl it with a straightener, but I'm going to pin it because I saw one of these girls that I follow on Instagram. She's a hairstylist. She pinned it and then she brushed it out for those big, voluminous, beachy waves. Bobby pins. What if my neighbor sees me? Like, literally my neighbor across the street is always outside. But I think he has a son, so what's up? Of course, we're just gonna brush it out. And I'm also, so I sprayed heat protectant, but I'm gonna do this called blowout cream. I have a ton of stuff that I just put in my hair. This is by Monet. I think that's how you say it. It's just Smooth Protect Control Cream. I just rub it on the ends because I don't want to make my hair oily. So what I do, but the new thing is I'm going to be pinning it, which is new for me. So this is probably going to be struggle bus. But I do this, have this in one hand, take my straightener, clamp, and you twist. And you're going to curl it up. I guess you can wrap it like this. This part's the new part for me. It's like a tutorial within a tutorial. Okay. It's all falling. Just perfect. You don't have to get too technical with the sections. I always do kind of a half off. Half off? Half off. Take the comb, straightener, flip the straightener like so. When I have our curl, you will wrap it up and pin it. And you don't even have to do the comb part. I just like that it makes my curl really straight. If that makes any sense. Was this a curl? Okay, good. Oh wait, was it? Yeah, it's falling apart. Like my life. Pro tip, which I'll do on this one. This, and then you can wrap it around again and it makes a tighter curl. Who knew? I'm gonna be here forever. But I have nothing better to do today. So I got time. Except for probably like bake my mustache. It's getting all like creasy. Perfect. Okay. Yeah, it's fine. It's fine. Ow! I think this will make your curls last a lot longer too. So that's a plus. We're getting there. Check in soon with y'all. So I parted my hair. I feel like we're really gonna rock this middle part though, guys. I'm just gonna do one side at a time. Let's get this done. Bro. Hold on, let me pause my show. This is the look. And I'll pin it on top. George Washington vibes or something, you know? Let's do this side. This is all we got left right here. Okay. Okay. I'm just gonna start taking the bottom ones out. Yo, I was gonna say literally like, I don't think anybody could ever see me like this. And I'm putting it on YouTube, so makes sense, right? Can we also talk about my coloring job in my hair? You guys see that dimension? I would like to congratulate myself, but who knows actually how it got there. One to the side. Like, so far it's looking cute, but we haven't seen the top yet, so. Okay, cute. Okay, okay. Now that's volume right there. Oh my gosh. It does feel weird on my like head. Like it knows it's different. She knows. Oh my gosh. I'm kind of living for this right now. We don't have the other side done, but I thought my eyelash was popping off. I was like, the deception. What? Oh, okay. Oh wow. This is so weird. What I like to call this is zhuzh. We have to zhuzh it. This is gonna be an issue. This little one right here. Okay. I forgot one. I swear I felt something. Ah. Ow. Something hit. Don't worry, it's just a knot. I dropped my comb. Got it. You just have to keep wearing your hair like this till it gives up. You know, like it fights you. Then it'll just give up one day. Hopefully that day comes soon. I almost hate it. Do we hate it? I feel like that's so much better. This video is for nothing. See, my hair was just trained so well. Just fell right into place. So I guess we will never have a middle part unless it's like our hair is up. That's fine. I can live with that. For you who can wear middle parts, God has blessed you with a gift. Do not take it for granted. I felt it again. I knew it. This is the finished look. And that is how you don't attempt a middle part when you've had a side part for many, many years. That is also how you curl your hair with a straightener. So, I hope you guys enjoyed. I will see you in my next video. Like, subscribe, comment. Oh my gosh, okay. So, I really just had to turn off my straightener because last time I didn't turn off my straightener and I came home and I had been like 5 hours. Yeah. Okay, goodbye, love you. You like? Get off me. I hope you guys know. Wrap it up. You know we wrap it up. I need to delete that for sure. This is the best lip gloss ever, guys. Fantasia ColourPop, like $7. Perfect color. Got that. I think, you know, it came out so much. I was just trying to put on lip gloss. Or this about to go.